Here is the drill DEWALT, and it's really good. It is, of course, automatic, and it saves your time a lot when you're building up your furniture. And it comes with this battery right here and this bag as well. This is the battery charger. It comes with a lot of drill heads, and you can pick a different size, a different shape, and you will have the right one for everything. Here you have it since 1/16 up to 1/4 right here, which is the thickest that you can have. And this is the battery charger. It comes with these two batteries right here, and it's really easy to use. I have used it myself. This will tell you how fast it goes. It has two options, and this one is how tight you want it, and you can just handle it from here. And according to how you press it is how fast it goes or how slow it goes. Also, you can of course add here your options right here. What I like it a lot as well is that it has a little lantern right here, and with this light it will focus what you're building, which it's a plus as well. As you can see, it has the battery is a bit heavy, but nothing you cannot handle, and you can take it wherever you need it. And these are really good to have for your home, and it will be a really nice present for either your husband, your dad, your brother, your uncle, or even for ladies as well who like to build stuff.